ball. You got to be ready to move in row one.
You certainly better be paying attention.
There's a little talking going on between Holland and Draymond Green.
You surprised?
No, considering Holland is Holland and Draymond's Draymond. And now Isaiah Stewart took exception to some of the things going on. And Mitchell Irwin just teed up Stu. Schroeder and Stewart both. Buddy Hield now talking to Stu.
You see that action right there between Holland and Draymond Green? It looked like they were going at it while the ball was still in play, and now they're having a conversation about it while the ball is out of bounds.
Neither one of them got teed up. Isaiah Stewart's still hot. This is trying to calm him down. Misfires. Hield ahead to Draymond Green. He throws it down. That's 7 straight for Golden State. Pass on the three. He'll decide to drive it and runs into Draymond Green. Draymond set to take the charge, and it is a charge on Holland.
Well, Draymond is definitely an experienced agitator, and he set that up beautifully. That's experience, folks, coming into play.
Ball goes back to Golden State. 7:44 left.
Tremendous damage with Curry watching. A 10-0 run right now by the Warriors. Draymond Green's been doing this kind of stuff for years. He gets under your skin, gets your mind on other things, and then goes to work when it matters.